In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Base44 website with this quick visual guide. First, go to Base44, log into your account, and open the website or app you want to edit. This is the starting point for everything, because you need to be inside the correct project before making any updates. Once you're in, open the visual edit mode from your app editor. This mode is especially useful because it allows you to work directly on the page visually instead of digging through settings blindly. After visual edit is open, click on the element you want to change. This could be text, a button, an image, or another visible part of the page. The main idea here is to select the exact component you want to edit, so your changes apply to the right section. If a page has multiple similar elements, take an extra second to confirm you've selected the correct one before making adjustments. Next, edit the content itself. Update the text, change a button label, swap an image, or modify any other visible content that needs attention. As you do this, keep an eye on the preview so you can make sure everything looks right immediately. This helps you catch small issues early, like awkward spacing, text that feels too long, or content that doesn't match the rest of the page. Once the content is updated, move on to the design settings that are available. You can adjust things like colors, fonts, spacing, sizing, and layout. One of the biggest benefits of using the visual editor is that you can see these changes in real time. That makes it much easier to fine-tune the appearance and keep the design consistent across the site. If you need to make updates in other areas, navigate to another page of your website and repeat the same process. Open the page, select the element, update the content, and adjust the design where needed. Working page by page can help you stay organized and avoid missing important sections. When your edits are done, preview the website. Take time to review the updated version carefully, and if screen size previews are available, check how the layout looks on different devices. After that, test your changes by clicking buttons and links to make sure navigation and key features still work properly. Finally, once everything looks good, save or apply your changes and publish the updated version of your website. And that's it. Your Base44 website edits are now live.